organisms belongs to the kingdom Monera. All are prokaryotes. What are the organisms that are included in Monera kingdom? That is mainly bacteria and archaebacteria. ఈ bacteria organisms ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, all these are prokaryotes. These are included in the kingdom Monera. So when coming to the cell wall is present or absent in Monera kingdom organisms. Mainly if see the bacteria and archaebacteria, all these are prokaryotes. And the cell wall is present or absent? Cell wall is present. Their body is covered by cell wall. ఇక్కడ plasma membrane ఉంటుంది, దాని చుట్టూ cell wall తోటి cover up అయి ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. Cell wall is present. And this cell wall is made up of with non-cellulose material. That is, it is made up of with polysaccharide. Non-cellulose material ఏంటి? Polysaccharide plus amino acid. Cell wall is present and the cell wall is made up of with non-cellulose material. That is, it is made up of with polysaccharide and amino acid. Next, coming to second kingdom, that is Protista. The organisms belongs to Protista. In some of the forms, we can see the cell wall is present. In some of the forms, the cell wall is absent. కొన్ని ఫార్మ్స్ లో ఏంటి, సెల్ వాల్ అనేది ప్రెసెంట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ మే బి ప్రెసెంట్ ఆర్ అబ్సెంట్. ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ సమ్ ఫార్మ్స్. సెల్ వాల్ is present in some organisms only. And organisms belongs to the Protista kingdom. All are eukaryotes. Means they consist of true nucleus. Next, coming to third kingdom, that is fungi. Here, these are also eukaryotes. Here, cell wall is present. Cell wall is present, and the cell wall is made up of with chitin. The cell wall is without cellulose. దీంట్లో cellulose అంటూ ఏమీ ఉండదు. It is without cellulose. The cell wall is without cellulose. And the cell wall is made up of with chitin and a material that is made up of. Next, coming to plants. The organisms belongs to the are also eukaryotes, means they consist of true nucleus. And when coming to cell wall is present, and the cell wall is made up of with cellulose. The cell wall is made up of with cellulose. Next, coming to Animalia kingdom. Here, these are also eukaryotes, and the cell wall is completely absent. Cell wall is absent. If we take the Monera kingdom, it consists of bacteria and archaebacteria. These are prokaryotes. These are unicellular prokaryotes. Cell wall is present, and the cell wall is non-cellulose. It is made up of with polysaccharide and amino acid. Kingdom Protista. These are all unicellular eukaryotes. And here the cell wall is present in some of the organisms and cell wall is absent in some of the organisms. Kingdom Fungi. These are also eukaryotes. Cell wall is made up of with chitin. It is without cellulose. Means it is made up of with chitin. Plantae kingdom. Organisms belongs to the Plantae kingdom are all are eukaryotes, and the cell wall is present, and the cell wall is made up of with cellulose. In Animalia, all are eukaryotes, multicellular eukaryotes, and cell wall is absent.